What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I know that it's been a while since the Samsung S10 came to the market and that everyone already knows it or at least heard about it. But I bought the Samsung S10 about a month ago and I wanted to do this video anyway because I think smartphones these days are so damn good and it's funny to see people failing on these quests. So the challenge is I took a few similar photos with the Samsung and with the Canon 6D Mark II and I want you to guess which photo is from the Samsung and which photo is from the Canon. They will appear on the screen side by side and you have 5 seconds to guess. Good luck! Well, if you looked closely, it's not that hard to guess. The DSLR camera is obviously better, but still the quality of the Samsung is pretty damn good. And I use it a lot when I go somewhere and I want to shoot something and I just don't have my DSLR camera around. Yeah, it definitely does the job. I hope you liked this video. Please comment below how many did you get wrong or just share your results. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you next video. Bye!